When you think of the term mining, you might think that you need something like this to get the job done. When you talk about crypto mining, you might think you need something like this. Or this. But what if I told you the new way to crypto mine only requires something like this? Stay tuned. Nerdy dude stuff. Bink! What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video about plug and play mining. That's right, back to our roots. If this is your first time on the channel, please take a moment to consider hitting subscribe, turning on the bell notification, and liking this video. Now, if you guys are like me and you're excited and you got into Blockcreate, batch 1 of the Block Unlimited should be on the way. You should have had your tracking information. Make sure you check your spam folder or give it another day or so. We got ours in yesterday and we got two. So thank you very much, Blockcreate. We got 2. We've already opened one and I'm going to unbox this one for you guys and then show you how to set it up. Since it is worlds different, then this is the first edition generation of the Blockcreate miner, the cube block, whatever you want to call it. Remember, this one does not mine. This is essentially a fancy nightlight. This one came with an NFT that does the actual mining for you. We're going to show the differences between the original first edition blocks and the Blockcreate Block Unlimiteds. I also want to just showcase some extra swag that we got here. While we were doing our unboxing last night to get everything ready, we got ourselves a cool little block multi-USB port, so that way we can run 4 blocks on this bad boy here. Just to answer your questions, if you want more Block Unlimiteds, you can have multiple in the same household. Obviously, we're gonna have multiple in the same household. So I do recommend, if they have these in the marketplace or anything like that, get yourself something like this. That way you can run all your blocks from one port. If you guys hear any weird noises, it is Axel. He's right behind me. His food and water dish are right back down here. And he's been in the kennel all day because we got some Block Unlimited stickers, because we took our family to see the Batman, and that was a 3-hour movie. We're gonna get to the unboxing here in just a minute. I wanted to showcase some other stuff. Some other swag, they sent me a bunch of stickers with little Blockcreate logos. The purple and the green are the 2 new blocks for the blockchains for Block Unlimited. Spoiler alert, we know one of ours is green. And some more stuff there. We got the little block symbol, and then we got a nifty little block keychain. So I just wanted to show some of the swag that came in our box. If you guys get some swag as well, that would be really cool. But without further ado, let's unwrap this bad boy. Not our typical unboxing video where we actually try to do something fun and plucky, but I'm sorry guys, I just haven't done a video in like 2 days. I'm tired. So I wanted to get this one going and just get this unboxed and show you the comparisons. Really, not a lot of gags we can make out of this one. Hang on one second. And I want to do this as fast as possible because the setup will take a few minutes and I want to make sure I get that to you guys as well. So we got our box right here. This is our block box, Block Unlimited. On this side, it's got Block Unlimited, and then these are the 3 new, I believe the 3 new types of blocks that you could be getting on the blockchain, because the first edition only had a certain amount, nothing else, just the top looks like that, this side looks like that. Cool, you'll get yours in the mail here soon enough. Did I get that? I did. All right. Oh, come on, you gotta open it. And put the trash over. When you open it up, you are going to be getting your little block paper guide, a Block Unlimited sticker, and then also inside we have a different USB charge port that is a little different than the Block first edition. You would see here, this is the USB style, USB, what is that, B, or the small USB mini type plug-in device. Whereas the original block, the first editions, were like your little AC adapter type plugins. So that's difference number 1 right there, right out of the box, right out of the bag. We're gonna keep that tucked aside. And then in here, you will have your sticker, which you could put your Block Unlimited sticker, that right there, on wherever you want. I did that on my other block just to keep track. And then you've just got this little card that, this does not have your There is no seed phrase or anything like that in this video, in this block. This is all strictly online, which we'll cover here in a minute. And last but not least, just making sure Axel's not chewing up something he's not supposed to. Last but not least, this is the Block Unlimited. That's it. Box empty. Woohoo! Put that over here. You can discard the box or whatever. Block Unlimited. Here it is. Looks very Looks very similar to the original first edition. Dimensions are a little bit bigger on this device. They are just a smidge. I don't know if you're going to be able to capture it on camera, but I don't know if you could tell that I'm trying to line these up as perfectly as possible, and you can just see it's slightly larger than the other one. You can tell definitely right up here. From my head, and then up a little bit. On the bottoms, so this is what the bottoms look like. Like that, maybe? Or was I right? All right, whatever. So that's what the bottoms look like. There's a big difference here. We've obviously got the different plug-in port. We've got the legs that stand up that project the block up a little bit. Hang on, you guys are tilting. Oh, almost lost you there. Cool. You got the legs that protrude a little bit out, so that way when you run the charge cable up underneath it, it's going to be able to sit flush on whatever surface you want because those legs are there. And then the last thing that you're going to have is on the actual block itself, right where my finger is going to be. Is going to be underneath block here. There is going to be a code, and that is your block's identification number. So there is no remote like this one because this one actually plugs in. You plug it in, and then you have to sync this to your app, which we're going to go ahead and showcase. Now let's jump to the computer screen. All right, we're going to try to keep this as short and simple as possible. The very first thing you're going to want to do is have a sip of beer. The next thing that you're going to want to do is go to the Reddit. I have linked this in the description of this video and pull up this little step-by-step guide. This is all I'm going to be walking through as well. If you're on Android, you have to download the Blocks app by doing your Android things. I don't know how it is. If you're on iOS, you need to have test flight. You can click on the link that you see here on the screen. This is going to, you need to do this from your phone, by the way. This is going to add test flight or give you the opportunity to add test flight to your, or make sure you have test flight on your Apple device. Go to the App Store, download Test Flight. Once you have Test Flight, you need to click on this link. After you click on that link, it is going to install the Block Test Beta app onto your mobile device, your iPhone. So once we have that app ready and running, we are going to pull that up now. And we already have one cube. So once we have that pulled up, I'm going to just kind of show it as best I can on screen. You're going to see the red plus sign over here under my finger, the red plus sign. That's what you're going to want to hit to add your Block Unlimited. So make sure your Block Unlimited is plugged in, hit the plus sign, go ahead and set that down for just a second, and now you want to turn on your device, and you're going to wait until it blinks. I'm telling you, we just wait until it blinks. Okay, now you see it blinking. If it doesn't blink right away, just turn it off and then on and off and then on again. Once it starts blinking like you see here, you will then have the opportunity to add on the app by just clicking the add button. What's going to happen next is going to say you have an LED ambient light, that is your block. Once it actually registers that it's there, it's going to then go solid. You click on the LED ambient light, and then what it's going to do is try to connect your device to the Wi-Fi network that your phone is currently logged into. What I recommend is get off of anything 5G while you do this. It will not sync up to 5G. So for example, I have two Wi-Fi. I've got my 2.5 and my 5 gigahertz networks. I put my iPhone onto my 2 gigahertz network, and then I open up this app. Once it's done, it's going to give you the blue plus mark over there next to my thumb saying you're good to go. You can then hit next, and then you're going to get a screen where you name your device. I am going to name my device Nerdy Dude 2. Save. Once that's done, you can then go back to the screen right here where you can change the settings on your device. So if I just kind of hit this, it'll then start changing out the colors. We're going to put it on Dream, and we're going to tuck it right there. Now, we don't need the phone any longer. We can put that down for a minute. Oh, another thing I do want to say about that app, it's going to require you to sign into the app. You cannot use your actual block login that you used. You have to create a new one. Not a big deal. It doesn't affect anything because we are going to link up now, but you need to remember what email you used on that app because you need that to add your block to your wallet. All right, up next, you're going to go to Blockcreate, and then you're going to go up into Teams. It's going to, as long as your wallet is linked, remember, we had to download Algo Signer, and this is our actual wallet that we have linked to do Teams and stuff like that. You want to make sure that is there, and you want to make sure you at least have one Algorand in there to cover the fees. Once you go up to Teams and you're all logged in, you want to go to Wallet right here. Click on Wallet. Once that loads, you're going to see the 2 blocks that I already have. This is my block first edition, and this is my first block unlimited. Now we want to add our 3rd block unlimited. My power is ass, by the way. We're going to go up to Block Connect right here and click on Block Connect. It's going to ask for your username and your password. So we are going to put in our username that we did for that block, and then we are going to put our block number in, which you get it from the bottom of the device, and that is... Dink, 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 dink. What is it? Dink, dink. So then we are going to hit connect. You're going to, couldn't find the asset. All right, so this was doing this to me earlier as well. All right, so you have to absolutely make sure that you put in a capital instead of a lowercase u, or else it won't find the actual block. Once you do, you hit connect. Just hit it one time. It's going to start going through the Algorand transaction. And if all goes well and smoothly, we're going to have the Algo Signer up here. We're going to approve, approve, approve. Then we are going to sign all transactions, put in our password, hit continue, and it's going to complete the transaction here. Transaction successful. Hit OK. And then we can refresh this screen, and then we should see our 3rd block when we go back to our wallet, and boom, there we go. All right, so we got a dot. Oh, my power's even worse. Damn it. We got a dot. We got question mark, question mark, question mark, and then we got our Bitcoin, obviously. Ah, you're a disappointment to your mother and I. Damn it. Wow. Anyway, so the next thing that we're going to want to do is add our actual dot block to our team. Then we're going to go hit Teams again up here. We are going to then go to our block right here. We are going to change team. We are going to select the Nerdy Dude Squad, which has 220 members in it. We're going to transfer our block to the team. We're going to algo sign, approve, sign, password, continue. Damn, we got a dot. That sucks. And then it's going to add us to the team. And that's it. We are done. Our block is good, ready to go. We're going to get our rewards in the next 24 hours. We're on the team, so we're going to get 16% more, and we are locked in. Anywho, that's going to do it for me today, guys. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out on Telegram, not really, Twitter, or Discord, or rewatch this video as it's pretty much step-by-step and straightforward. Other than that, please like, comment, subscribe, turn on the bell notification, all that YouTube stuff. I'm O'Prius, and we'll see you guys next time.